All right. Welcome back everybody to YouTube channel ICObench, and we continue to do video interviews with the top experts from ICObench. Today I'm happy to present you another great expert which is at ICObench. His name is Naviin. Naviin, how are you doing?
Hi Maxime, how are you?
I'm
doing
good.
well.
Thanks for joining us for this call. And can you make a little bit introduction about yourself, about who you are and what you are doing?
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Naviin Kapoor and I am a blockchain and ICO expert. I have more than 12 years of experience in IT and financial industry. And I started my career with Oracle Corporation as an IT developer. And after that, I have joined a bank in UAE. And I'm also a certified project manager, business analyst, and Scrum Master. Currently, I'm working as a full-time employee with the bank, and I'm also participating in various ICOs as a blockchain and ICO expert. And on top of that, I'm also managing a news aggregated site, The Times of Crypto, and I'm also owning a YouTube channel, the Crypto Network. So this is a small introduction about myself and what I do, previous background.
Excellent, thanks for that. Now, can you us a little bit explain why you decided to join blockchain market? This market is new one, as you know. So what makes so attractive for you? Why you decided to go this way?
See, I understand the blockchain market is quite new. We have numerous issues with the compliance regulations, but I feel blockchain is the foundation of the future. And it was not that I had decided to come into this market. It was by chance I had joined this market. What happened back in 2017, some of my friends were doing the investment in Bitcoin and other altcoins. And I had also done some investment and I had a huge loss in that. So what I was doing, I was just following them, which coin is going up, and I was moving my funds here and there. But somehow at the last, I had to realize that what is blockchain. If you need to do the investment in blockchain and cryptos, you need to first understand the underlying complexities, underlying technologies, and how it works. So after that, I started learning about blockchain, what are cryptos, and which coin is good, and how all those the ecosystem works. What is this digital currency? So this is how I get into blockchain and the crypto market. So it was not certain that, yes, I had decided that I want to go into blockchain and crypto markets. So it was by chance I had entered into this market.
Okay, but do you remember when you first time heard about Bitcoin and what was your opinion, reaction to that when it was first time?
Okay, see, I heard about Bitcoin back in 2014. I heard about some people were doing the investment, doing the mining of the Bitcoin, and they are earning a lot of things. And once I had also heard about Bitcoin when somebody had done the hacking, and they had, as part of ransom, they had asked about Bitcoin. So that was the time I heard about Bitcoin. What is this Bitcoin? And I started learning about Bitcoin. So this is how I heard about Bitcoin, when somebody had done the hacking and they had asked for the ransom. And yeah,
Okay.
this is how I heard about blockchain. And
Okay. Now let's talk about because you are expert at ICObench and you are rating different projects, ICOs. Tell us a little bit about how do you do this? I mean, what criteria do you use for rating each project? How do you see that this project is good one and this one is not?
See, now there are different criterias when we have to do the analysis and when we have to analyze which project is good. The first criteria is we need to see what is the ROI model of the ICO. What is the financial model? Who are the team members? Do they have any? I would say, do they have any expertise in the blockchain and the industry in which that ICO is going to be implemented? And the last thing is what is the projection, what is the operational capital expenditure of the ICOs. So these are the things which we need to analyze before doing any analysis about the project or doing any investment. So these are the overall and the brief things which I mostly look into the ICO projects.
Okay. You know that during almost 1 year, how the market is going down and down, bear market situation, and for the project it's more difficult to use ICO model for raising funds.
Yeah.
But in your opinion, do you still believe that companies can use ICO model for crowdfunding, for getting funds from people?
Yeah, it's a wonderful question, and we have seen that there are more than 10,000 ICOs in the market at the moment, and ICO is one of the easiest way to raise the funds. On the other side, it is very risky for the investor. I feel if the product is good, they have the proper use case. If they have the running product, they have the financial model. It is easy for them to raise the funds to the ICO. It is not that the people are not doing the investment in ICO, but people are afraid of the scams, afraid of the ROI model, afraid of the pump and dumps which is happening once the ICO is launching into the exchange. If the team, if the companies, if the product is genuine, I think it is still easy for the ICO companies to raise the funds through ICO.
Okay, thanks for that. And if you are like, let's talk about from investor point of view, what will you recommend to small investors? Like, for example, I will decide tomorrow maybe to buy some tokens, coins. Which project to select? I mean, that it will not be a scam project, right? That I will not lose my funds.
Absolutely. See, now the first thing we need to understand that we are not in 2017 when with just a white paper we are going to raise millions of funds. And if I am doing the investor as a small investor, my funds will get double or triple in few months or few days. So first thing is we need to analyze what is the ICO, as I said earlier, the ROI structure, the return on investment. Is it really good that if I do the investment in this project, I'm going to get the return out of this investment? The token, the first of all, the value, how does the value of token will increase with the passage of time? What is do they have the proper structure of the tokens? How many tokens they are going to distribute into the market? What is the capital and operational expenditure? How much tokens they have allocated to the advisor, to the management? So the small investors should study each and every aspect of the project before doing any investment into the ICO, because I have seen there are so much of hype about certain projects and people are doing the investment blindly, but they do not read the white paper, they do not analyze the project, and on top of that, I have also seen during the implementation of ICO, some projects are getting delayed because the market is down, that is down, we are not in the right shape, we are not collecting much funds. So in that sense, it is investors who are going to get impacted. So I am suggesting all the small investors to do the thorough study before doing any investment. Do not think blindly on the advisors, on the co-founders, or whoever are the part of the ICO.
All right, thanks for that. And before we will finish, what is your opinion about what will be during the next 12 months with the market? For example, do you think that we already reached bottom, or it can go down more, or it will go up?
Okay, see now I understand, because now the market is very, very volatile. We see one day we see 25% up, the next day we see 15% down. We do not know what is happening, how this market is behaving, because it is decentralized. There are so many traders, there are so many the groups who are working all together, who are creating the hype, who are increasing the price of the coin, creating the FUD, creating the FOMO. So, but still, I feel with the passage of time, when regulation compliance will come into the picture, when the governments will support cryptocurrencies, when we have the proper rules placed for the trading, I feel the cryptocurrencies and the market will grow with the passage of time. It is just a time when people are not really thinking about cryptocurrencies as an investment arm. Because I totally understand that changes are inevitable and it is very difficult for the organization or anyone to digest the change. But with the passage of time, when we have the proper rules, structure, and compliance things placed, we'll be able to see we will be able to see an exponential growth in the cryptocurrency market.
All right, thanks for your answers to all our questions and for coming to us. I just want to remind you, everybody, that don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel ICObench for such more interviews and great videos. Meanwhile, I thank you one more time for coming to us and wishing you have a nice day.